You're my heartbeat, my silent drum. That is kicking me till I'm numb. I wanna feel free like a bird in the sky. When he opens his wings to fly on by to the beat of my silent drum. That's kicking me till I'm numb.
Good morning, Chuck-in Page here from Tapanum, Thailand. Hey, today is Sunday. Today is Sunday Fun Day. Sunday Fun Day is a tradition here in this house. My father-in-law loves to have people over for dinner and cook and drink and just have a good time. What do you got? Keychain? So, if you marry a Thai woman, you also marry their family. So, I knew what I was getting into prior to moving to Thailand, and I really enjoy the Sundays and the get-togethers. Yeah, it's fun, but it's a very important part of Thai tradition to have get-togethers and food. So, if you guys are sick of the food videos and the partying, well, Thailand relationships might not be for you because it's you got to be part of it in some form, I think. So, I think most of you guys love seeing the food and the fun and the family. So today's Sunday Fun Day. Yeah, it's going to be fun today. A lot of people. I got to make chocolate chip cookies. Actually, coffee chocolate chip cookies. Today is definitely not a day to go to the market. I went to go ride my bike. Well, I did. I went to my friend Jack's, the pharmacy friend, and talked to him for a while. And I had a very difficult time riding my bike back, but boring day, just stuck in the house. It's 3 o'clock. My mother-in-law's cooking right now. I told her I wanted to help her, but she says, no, I can't. I don't know how. But I said, teach me. Teach me. So anyway, she's cooking. Oi ตกใจเอาคุกกี้ไหมเอาไหมที่นี่ชิมอร่อยไหมอร่อยโอเค
นุ่มไหมหมูน่ะ
This is a pork rib. หมูกระดูด It's really hot ร้อนมากๆ
ชิมดูสิมันนิ่มไหม
โอเคครับร้อน
มันร้อนอยู่เดี๋ยวบอกนิ่ม
อร่อยจังเลย
ของมาเบียร์เย็นอร่อยช่วยอะไรไหม
I bought a really nice oven. My mother-in-law likes that. Chop D. Chop.
อร่อย
She likes to use this little convectional oven.
อร่อยอบก่อน30 นาที
Oh, 30 นาที 30 minutes. But she could use this oven. It's raining. ฝนตก I think I need to taste one more. There's not much there to taste. I'm so happy it's raining right now. not for everybody having to be in it, but there's so much dust out there. It needs to rain. A couple people have asked me about Christmas decorations. This has been up ever since I've been coming here in 2007. That says Happy New Year. Sawati Pi Mai is Happy New Year in Thai. They don't take it down. It just stays there. Happy times. That'll come down when it falls or doesn't look pretty anymore. But they like it. What are you doing? Are you being good? Huh? You don't want the zapper, right? Okay, don't mess with my bike. I'm so happy it's raining. Very good. Money.
ไปนี่มันก็ถามก่อนทำยังไง
เอาไหม
เอาครับ
โอเค ภาษาอังกฤษอร่อย
Tasty.
Okay, very good, very good. High five. High five.
ขอบคุณครับด้วย
Okay. Uh-oh. Okay, English word of the day. Aloy. Alai.
Tasty.
Tasty. Very good. Tasty. Aloy. Pasa English.
Tasty.
Okay, one more. Chim. Chim. Pasa English.
Taste.
Very good. Yes, very good. Taste. Okay, word of the day is rain. Rain. Rain in Thai is pon tok. Pon is rain, tok is fall. So basically rainfall. Pon tok. Word of the day is rain. Pon tok. Pon tok, Pasa English. Rain.
Rain.
Rain, very good. Pon tok, Pasa English.
Rain.
Rain, very good, very smart, very smart. Okay. Pon tok, rain. Pon tok,
Rain.
rain, very good.
หมูย่าง
Pon tok,
ฝนตกพูดดี
Taste.
my chai, taste. Aloy, aloy,
Tasty.
tasty. Pon tok,
ๆไอ
Rain.
rain. Nam kang,
ไออะไร
nam kang.
Ice.
Very good, ice, yes.
มากเลยว่าน้ำเป็นกระแดงกูว่ากันเอ็ดยังสิกำลังเลยสิแล้วนั่นกูว่ากันนั่นกำลังเลย
Okay, it's what's for dinner.
เมื่อเดียเมื่อปวดก็นี่แหละจะเลิกอาหารกันเลยตั้งปลาจุ่ม2 ชุดเลี้ยงปลาชุดหนึ่งก้อยชื่อเนื้อมาให้ก้อยอยู่ตรงแนวก้อยแดงโอ้มียาแล้วนั่นแหละมียาพิเศษบอกไม่คนเลยจะบอกอยู่คอยจะบอกเป็นอุ้งใจบอกเป็นอุ้งใจนะก็เลยบอกเขาไม่ได้บอกมันมียาพิเศษบอกเลยว่า
This is tom yam goong, which is a shrimp. It's like a spicy soup, shrimp, and it's so good, really good.
กูบอกเลยไม่ใส่ซองเลยเด้อแล้วเอามาก็จะบอกเขาว่าของกูเดียวกูกับชินาอะไรกูได้กูเดียวเจ้าไปอันนี้เราน้ำสดอันนี้ไฟจังหวะเมื่อคืนกับแกงดีน้ำบริสุทธิ์ก็ได้พ่อไปไหนได้ยังไงบ่แล้วมาได้แล้วรับคืนมาเอาแล้วมาขายก็ได้มาไปโอ้ยเดี๋ยวยังหวนไปเรื่อยๆมันได้
Okay, morning. Good morning. This is one of my favorite things to do all day. Is just to sit out here on the porch and drink my coffee in the morning. It's really quiet normally in the morning, but because of the festival. It rained so hard last night. I'm not happy for the people that have to sleep in the tents out there, but the town was so dirty and was able to kind of wash away some of that dust. But anyway, this is what I do every morning when I'm home. Not a whole lot going on today, so I don't know what we're doing. But anyway, if you liked it, please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye.